Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll actually be doing a little mini series on how to actually start your own digital product business. I always get asked, how do I create my products on Canva? And I just wanted to show you guys how to do that for yourself, and you can achieve this within minutes. Now, you don't have to be any type of designer, you don't have to have any design skills whatsoever. It's very simple, all thanks to Canva. Canva is a total game changer, and it's for anyone really wanting to create beautiful, professional looking designs without actually needing to be a graphic designer. So with Canva, you can create ebooks, planners, journals, your Instagram posts, your reels, TikToks, and the list goes on, right? So Canva is an amazing product, and I just wanted to show you guys how you can utilize this product to change your life. Now, the very first part of this whole setup, if you have never signed up for Canva before, that would actually be your first step to go ahead and sign up for Canva. Now, with Canva, you have the option of having a free account, or you can also have a paid version, which is a pro version. I do have the pro version, but for today's video, I'll be using the free options to show you that really you don't necessarily need to have the pro version. Of course, it has all extra features, I won't lie, but the free version can get you a long way. First, come onto your home page. On the left hand corner here, you'll see home, and this is what your home would look like. This is what mine looks like. So you see a whole bunch of recent designs and all the stuff I'm currently working on right now. So on the left hand corner, we're going to go back to templates. And as I said, you have thousands of templates that you can choose from here. And we're going to scroll down a bit. You realize you can do it for upcoming events, reports, graphs, documents. Like, it is extensive to the things that you can actually do on Canva, right? In today's video, one of the most popular designs, or I should say templates that sold out there, are planners. So what you do in your search bar, you type in planners and search Canva templates. I've showed you, and it will bring up 15,665 templates of planners that you could possibly choose from. And clearly one of the options is to create a blank planner from scratch where you can do your own thing and get as creative as you feel like. But seeing that I said you want to do this within minutes, the best option is to choose a template that is close to what you're looking to design, or something that you like or speaks to you, basically. Okay, so you can scroll through. For today's plan, I'm just going to choose something simple and easy. So that's one page. Of course, you can do a plan that has like 100 pages, 50 pages, whatever you're looking to design for your particular target audience. All right, guys, so we're actually going to go with this one here. This is Beige Minimalist Weekly Planner. It is actually 2 pages, but that's fine. And we're gonna then hit Customize Template. Okay, so now that your template is open, as I said, it's 2 pages, and this is what we're working with. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see design, elements, text, brand, etc. Now that is what we're going to open up and get to changing everything on here. So you can change the font, the color, you can add images to it, you can change the boxes, you can change this to look completely different than what it currently looks here. You just have to know your brand and your audience and what you are actually trying to go for things. So I'm not a big fan of this color, the background color. So I'm just gonna click the background, and then we're going to click the little bubble right here, and you'll notice once you hover the mouse over it, it will say background color. Now open up your colors here. So you'll notice it says brand kit here, and this is available to me because, as I mentioned, I have the pro version. In the free version, this isn't an option, but I am going to make use of it right now because it's going to make my life a little easier. However, let's say you know your hex codes for your brand colors that you're choosing to use. You would just need to type them in here. So for instance, I know one of mine from the top of my head. You just type it in and select it. That is the only one of my hex codes I know, but we clearly would not be using that one. So we're just gonna hit undo on that. and click exit. However, we're still going to change the background color. So we need to close there. And I'm thinking, let's come down here. I like that. That's cute. All right, so we've changed the background color. Let's change the font. I'm not feeling this font too much. Antique, I don't like it. And I really want to do a script or cursive. And we're looking for a free version, so ISOM is normally good. Okay, maybe ISOM is the winner. And this is ISOM script, so let's go like this. Okay, I like that. That's not bad. All right, next one, Montserrat Classic. This is a very popular one. You'll see everywhere. So we've changed our font, we've changed our colors, we're changing what else? But I want to zhuzh it up a little bit. And what I mean by that is add some more elements to it, add some pictures, something else to it. Okay guys, so that is pretty much it. I don't want to change anything else to it. As I said, within minutes. You could continue going on, you could add more shapes, you could add more pictures, you could get much more creative with what we're doing. But we're saying we're keeping it simple, nice and clean. Alright? So that will be your weekly planner that you're going to sell to your audience. Now last things last, before we do that, you want to save it. So it's a weekly planner, so we can just call it, instead of beige, we can say pink. Minimalist weekly planner. All right. Of course, change that however you feel like to change it and word it to your liking. Now, once you've finished designing and customizing your planner, the next step is to actually download your planner. Now, if you are actually selling digital products to consumers directly for their direct use, the next step is go to share and download it as an actual PDF. So go to share, click download, and then you're going to select your file type. You can choose JPG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print. I'll say those are the best options, but it's your call. Normally for a planner, you'd select PDF standard. But before we go to the next step, let's say you're actually someone like myself, we actually provide done for you templates to others to actually customize directly, right? Let's say you want to give, or even let's say you want to give your audience the option of customizing your templates themselves, updating it so that, let's say, it matches their brand, their business brand. In that case, what you then need to do is actually download what's called a template link for this planner, right? So what you do is go to share, see all, and then hit template link. When you hit template link, it will give you the option to create template link. So at this point, I'm actually going to click create template link, and it's going to create that link for us. But you may be wondering, what are we going to do with this link now? Now with this link, what we're actually going to do is create an actual PDF file to include, to put this link on. Basically, the simplest way to actually go about doing this is actually just create another document. In this, you can be very simple. It doesn't have to be long. It can just be simply one page. Some people, like myself, I'll do multiple pages to add more value. And I am big on providing more value than what you're actually paying for. I try my best to do that. So I try to provide a little extra value there. But in this case, we're going to do a one-page template link download page. So one thing I like to do is I like to get a little creative with it. So we're going to go to elements and we're going to go to frame. Then we go back to the other page with the planner on it. We go back to template link. So if you let's say I'm going to come out of it now so you can see. So let's say we already created it before, right? But we're going to go back to that page so we can copy, just in case you copied something prior to that, you have to copy it again. So you go back to share. Once you open share, you'll notice it says template link and it has a green live button. That means your template link is live and you just need to click on that button and then click copy. And once you copy that, you go back to your template link page and then we link it. So I highlight weekly planner, I'll click link, copy, paste it, done, and then there we go. I like to actually click on it. Once you click on it, it will open to basically where it allow you to customize or edit this template. I like to do this one just to make sure the link is good. There are no issues with the link and it opens to what I needed to open to. Now that I tested it, I know that it opened to exactly what I needed to open to. You can of course get more creative with it. Something I'd actually do is put my logo on it. So let's bring this down a bit. I'm gonna go to my brand kit. Just gonna click and add it and then we're just gonna align it how we want to. Right? And that is it. Now, once you've done that, you want to download as a PDF. Now that you've actually downloaded it, your next step is to actually then upload it and add it to your site and share it. This is where you get to describe this product to your target audience. So you get to share images of it. You can also still use Canva and create your product images. So once you've created your product image, you can definitely go ahead and launch your product and start promoting it through social media. We have a freebie here available for you guys. The link is available in the description box below. For to download our digital product business planner, feel free to use it, customize it, have some fun with it. Definitely like, share, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. And if you've reached this far in the video, we just want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.